Let's see how to hide text easily in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our text ready. Now to hide your text, simply highlight the text that you want to hide. Now click on this icon right here, which will open up this window. And as you can see, you will have different options for different effects that you can put into your text. Now, as we want to hide our text, let's check this box that says hidden. And as you can see, that text that we highlighted has now been hidden. Now, it is important to note that that particular block of text was not deleted. And we can still see it if we click this icon right here, which will show all the hidden characters in your document. And there you go. It is simply hidden. And once you click this, you'll notice that it is underlined, which will show that it has been hidden. Now to restore it, simply highlight your text again and click on this icon. Same process, uncheck the box, and you'll see that your text is now visible. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.